So we're talking about suicidal thoughts. We need to know what they are and where they come from. So suicidal thoughts are not a normal reaction to stress. It's a reaction that a person may have who is in extreme distress and can present itself as emotional or physical pain. Certain behaviors may be markers of a person contemplating suicide, and if these are detected early, it may prevent the action of suicide. Most of the time, there are signs before the action occurs, but sometimes these signs can be very subtle and hard to detect. There are also times where a person contemplating suicide may exhibit signs more visible to those around them. This includes trying to tell someone that they're having suicidal thoughts or exhibiting extremely reckless behavior. The person may act as if they don't care whether they live or die. So it is so important for everyone close to a suicidal person to know the signs that may leave someone more at risk for suicide. I list some of the signs that are most commonly seen in individuals who may be experiencing suicidal thoughts as I gather from a National Institute of Mental Health archive on symptoms, preventives, and recovery options. So, saying goodbye to loved ones. The person might say goodbye to the people that he loved. The person may have mood swings, being happy to sad to being angry. The person may also get himself or herself engaged in alcohol and other drug abuse, changes in eating and sleeping patterns, feeling and thinking like you're a burden. The person experiencing suicidal thoughts may feel like he's a burden to other people or to the family. He may also start giving away personal items. He will also start consuming thoughts of death, like the movies he or she watches, or the books the person reads, the articles the person reads. Everything that person experiences will start consuming. The person may also feel hopeless. He or she may feel overwhelming stress. He or she was outgoing. He will start withdrawing from social activities and isolating himself or herself. He will start feeling unbearable pain, feeling trapped, and planning their way out of this world. So an individual can display one or more of these signs, which can manifest during or after a challenging event in their lives. The truth behind this sign is that we are trying to cope with what life gives us, but sometimes the level of distress can cloud our judgment or ability to see possible solutions. From here, the individual starts to believe that there is no solution to this situation and the spiral continues to consume them. These signs should never be ignored by any person. Over 40,000 people die every year of suicide, imagine, making it one of the leading causes of death overall.